What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit the video a like, and make sure you comment, let me know what you think. Brake update. Got these from Amazon, and look what fits. Absolutely perfect. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. So what's up, guys? Next day, I have to head down to the Dublin Nut and Bolt Company. We have these bolts. So these are the bolts that came with the caliper kit. We need them in this thread. You can see it there. It's a thicker thread. So we need them in this length with that thread. And then I need 8 of these bolts this length. So from this nut to there, because they're too long for the calipers. So that's why I had to put a nut on there to stop that from hitting the disc when it goes through the caliper. So let's go and get all new bolts for fitting those bad boys. So we're back, new bolts, gonna blast these apart, put the seals in, get them all together with the new bolts now. And here we have it, guys, all bolted together with the new bolts. I also got new bolts for bolting it on to the hub. And all we need to do now is put the brake lines on. So guys, brake lines are on, all ready to rock and roll. Huge shout out to Ray at Galway Mini Centre. Huge thanks. Couldn't have got these parts without him. Mini spares would have cost me double with shipping, VAT and all the import duty. It's an absolute joke. But yeah, Ray had these, got them ASAP, all bolted on, all new everything. You can see there, new hardware, new bolts, new everything, ready to go. It's time to remove all this. Now that is all out, I just need to get this out, take the absolute nightmare of a pin out, get this out, and then mock up the new brake cell. Let's get this topped up and bled. So I just have the bleed nipples open just to let it gravity bleed a bit. I'm going to leave that for a while and then come back on the next episode where we fit the new calipers and do a full bleed.